Hey everyone, it's Rahim, a 4th year graduation student with business major. I have been a tech lover from a long time now. This channel is a small contribution to bring some positive change in your lives by making you aware of some beautiful and productive uses of technology around you with all the knowledge I have gained researching and using tech products in the past few years. iPad had been a life-changing device for me as a student. I know this seems to be a very big claim, but I am sure that sticking to this video till the end will change your mind, and if not, it will at least help you understand how miraculous an iPad could be if used wisely and rightly. I am an iPad user since 7th generation of iPad was released, and one thing I could say with my experience is that even a budget iPad could do wonders for you if you unlock the key to use it wisely. This maybe seems exaggerating, but believe me, these words are coming out of personal experience and observation. So this video is a continuation to my first video where I present my perspective on iPad 9th generation as a student. You can watch that video in the I button above, or you can find it in the description below. Basically, this video will be all about how was my experience with the iPad 9th generation during the last 10 months where I used it as my primary note-taking device and ebook reader. Other than that, I will answer the most asked questions, that should you buy iPad 9th generation when the new 10th generation of the iPad have been released, and finally I shall give my thoughts on who should get this budget iPad and who should invest more and get iPad 10th generation, iPad Air or iPad Pro. But guys, before starting, it would be highly appreciated if you subscribe to the channel for supporting us, as we are just starting and your subscription will help us grow as a family, where I will be trying my level best to sort out your tech related queries. So let's get started. I started using iPad with the 7th generation budget iPad, and I can assure you one thing, that there is no going back after that. Now you may think that I am just another Apple fanboy praising their products, but before doing that, I would request you all to ask yourself a question, that there must be something in their products that a company have such a huge list of fanboys and girls. Let me assure you that iPad 9th generation without a doubt have done things for me which most of the people expected from a much higher end and expensive devices. Either it is editing every single video on this channel till date, writing scripts for these occasionally, recording voice for them, taking notes, reading ebooks and browsing internet in university. iPad 9th generation have been my best buddy. Here I must add that sometimes it seemed to be slowing down and need a restart, but it is nothing which might be bothering me. At this point where we have one of the biggest iPad lineup available for sale, the question is that who should be getting the iPad 9? Out of my personal experience, I must make it clear for you guys that this may be still a more than capable device but can't handle any professional workload. Hence, if you are a student, a parent who want an entertainment device for their children to study on and play with, or an everyday casual user, iPad 9th generation is going to be an amazing device both for your needs and your pocket. I have been running this YouTube channel as a challenge on my iPad 9th generation to prove that how capable this device is. You can subscribe to see that video coming out soon. So the people who are just simple users and want a tablet for consuming media, sending emails, typing some documents, reading ebooks and other such light tasks, including even some mild video editing, should get their hands on the newer iPad 9th generation. Hence, I would suggest going with the 128GB variant, as it will be more future proof and you can get that one near the price tag of $329 in some good deals online. Apart from that, people who are on a budget and want this iPad 9th generation, which is already cheap and even lesser price tag, can grab one now without any hesitation. So guys, finally I must say that people who are looking for a modern iPad which comes with smaller bezels and a boxier design and need higher processing power for professional tasks like video and photo editing, coding or any such things, they should spend more on iPad's Air or Pro models. Similarly, the people who are looking forward to use budget iPad for tasks like mild video editing, as I do with my iPad 9th generation, can get a iPad 10th generation, which will cost a little bit more, near $49 for the base model. On the other hand, people who are looking forward to do professional tasks on their iPad or use features like Stage Manager should opt iPad with the M1 or M2 chips, and they are the only one capable of handling that. So that's all from this video. Hope it helps you making decision wisely and efficiently. At the end, I must say that guys, we are a relatively new channel trying to share our knowledge with you people and gaining some from you. If you like this video or find it informative, give it a quick thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel would be highly appreciated and it will help us grow. With that, keep on rocking and enjoying life as much as you can, making sure that you use it for some greater cause.